purpose of the social is, of course, to have fun, but also take the opportunity to learn about your colleagues, learn about your colleagues in other offices within the division. But it's primarily to take our mind away from our day-to-day activities and focus on the broader picture. As you all know, our primary motto is one team, one dream. So this is as an aspect of that. Excellent. Give it a round of applause.
Extension of the retreat. That's what we thought of. You learned what your colors were, right? You know your colors. We talked about your colors in theory. And so now this is a chance to really apply the concept into theory in a fun way.